Welcome! In this tutorial, we will configure your Haas trade server for automated trading. To begin, navigate to the main menu and select Exchange Accounts. A standard setup requires both a simulation account and a live trading account. First, we will create the simulation account, which is essential for backtesting and strategy evaluation. Click Add Account. Click Simulated Account. Choose the exchange. Select the exchange type. Assign a clear name to ensure you can easily distinguish it from your live production account. Once the account is created, proceed to configure the wallet. Fund your simulation environment by using the deposit and withdrawal buttons to adjust your virtual balances as needed. After setting your desired virtual balances, you can exit the wallet. To set up your live account, click plus to add an account. Select account type exchange account and select your exchange. Then select the exchange type. Before proceeding, take note of the provided IP addresses. You must add these within your exchange's API settings to ensure your keys are restricted exclusively to your Haas trade server, preventing unauthorized access. Once you have whitelisted the IPs and generated the API keys on your exchange, paste them here. Click Test to verify the keys are valid, and then click Save Account. With both accounts configured, your environment is ready to launch its first bot. This concludes the setup tutorial.